see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light.
Happy birthday, twins! We love you! Happy 18th birthday, Min! We know you love us and the feeling is mutual.
Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light.
Happy legalities! Stay gorgeous! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Amira and Anika. We love you very, very much.
Blind, I just wanna see the light. Breathe in, leave it all behind. I just wanna see the light.
My top wish is that you don't forget how loved you are, so that you could put all the love that you have into good use.
Happy 18th birthday to the two of you. I know our friendship was very rocky, but I'm really glad to have both of you back.
I hope you guys enjoy your very special day, and we are always here for you. I love you guys and happy birthday.
I just wanna see the light.
If you need anything, just like what I've been telling you, you can always come to me. And thank you for, making me feel like I'm one of your ates. Just like Allison.
Always know that I'm here for you, always and forever. I love you, girls.
Enjoy every second of it, because you only go through it once.
As you all know, the twins are very close to me. Actually, we've been closer since they turned 16. And up to now, we're getting closer every day. As long as I'm with them, especially when we go out and go shopping.
I wish that both of you continue to be the kindest and most genuine people. May you always succeed in everything you do, and I pray that Anika gets all the squishes in the world.
Happy 18th birthday, twins!
More birthdays to come. Happy birthday!